purpose was really to adapt what I studied and did in the research to the skin, and to see how we can help the skin to improve hydration, to stop dehydration, and to slow down aging. Depending today on the technology that is coming, and we are working today on exosomes, which is totally related also to stem cells. And I think this is the future, will be the future of the beauty, and how to make stem cells staying in a cream, your own cells. This is the big challenge, because it's really not stable yet. And this is one of our new technology coming. I'm always relating also the analysis of the body globally. For example, today we can do genetic analysis, epigenetic analysis for the body globally, and then see what is your lifestyle and how we can connect it to create new products, not only for the skin, but nutritional supplements also is one of our goals, because with a nutritional supplement we can complement what is missing in your body globally, and this will affect directly the skin behavior. It's totally personalization, of course. Is analysis first of your skin, analyzing your body, analyzing your epigenetic, analyzing your genetics. We have biomarkers that you can analyze also, blood analysis, where we can see also the hormonal balance. And we can then treat it in my clinic with different treatments that we have. But we also, of course, we are developing always new products for the skin to really reduce aging, to improve hydration, improve elasticity of the skin, boosting your own collagen synthesis and elastin synthesis. Hyaluronic acid is one of the main points that we have now in our products, and we have many different molecular weight of hyaluronic acid. This molecule that is like a sponge of water, we introduce it in many serums and cream, and to go down into the skin and hydrate the skin from inside. What is in the innovation today, and for me the best is really to combine natural ingredients with the technology coming. And I'm always following the new research, and what is the best, we introduce it, and we will combine it with the natural ingredients. We are so happy to be in Switzerland, and Switzerland is one of the countries with nature is great. The quality of the everything is so good that we can extract it from the ingredients. Even the water of the glacier, melting glacier, we put it in each product. And then we have flowers, we have many different ingredients that we could use it. We have a lot of hyaluronic acid. Collagen peptide is one of the interesting products that we had lastly, is really to combine the collagen with the peptide. And this is technology. Collagen is great. Collagen extracted from flower is also great, but you need a lot of flowers to extract them. And then now we are connecting the collagen, the real collagen molecule, to peptides. Everybody knows what is Edelweiss is the flower of immortality. Is the flower of Switzerland. But this flower is very rare, and what we are doing now is to do culture of this flower, and then to extract things or the ingredients from this flower to make the flower, to use the extract into our products is great, because you have a lot of antioxidation inside that will fight against the free radicals in this flower. It's the cells, we take the flowers of Edelweiss, we extract, we do stem cells from them, and then we introduce them into our products. Wow, Dr Burgener brand is the personalized brand, Swiss brand, with a high quality, a lot of innovation and technology, and totally customized to you. And of course, with a full holistic approach, adapting totally what we do in our clinic, in our laboratory, to great hotels like the Raffles, where we are introducing the brand now, Raffles, Bahrain. And in this place we can really develop the brand and make the brand adapted to the guest needs.